Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE S100 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. When you're ready, click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. Now you can click on your photos right away or select folders. Over here, you can click on Images at the top of Recent Files section and hold the chosen one right away. You can also look for your images in one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to find it in one of those categories. Either way, after locating your photo and holding it, click on Select at the top right corner to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!